Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. Some of you guys might know me from Slikhaar TV. I teach men how to style their hair and look their best. So today I will show you one of my favorite routines. I started out washing my hair in some shampoo and conditioner. For the hairstyle, I'm going to use a pre-styler. This is the most important step in a great hairstyle. The reason is you want to have the perfect foundation. So this works as a primer, heat protectant and a volume boosting agent. Next up we're going to blow dry it, and afterwards we're going to shape it with the Vilain Gold Digger wax. This is an extreme wax and it has a lot of ability to shape and great texture. So let's get started. Shake it a little bit, 10 to 15 pumps. And usually I distribute it in the first front because there's a little bit moist in the hair. And when I'm going to blow dry it, we will move a little bit of the product backwards with the water from the hair wash. So here you see we comb it. I start with the sides to get really good hold of it and shape it first so it's not getting too puffy. So as you see, we already tamed in the sides a bit, and now it's time for the top. Here I have the flip brush or skeleton brush, so I'm able to grip the hair, and you see already creating a little bit of volume without even blow drying it. Let's try it out. And something that is super important is that you get it dry all the way to the back. So I can already tell now that we have a little wet spot here that we need to take care of. Now we comb it through so you can see really what I'm talking about, creating this insane, nice, fluffy volume. So it is only a foundation, so you can see it's flying around, and some of you guys might like that. So if you do, then this is just for you the first step. So now when I'm combing it and blow drying, I also stretch out some of the curls or wavy texture that might be in the hair to get this more smooth look. now it's dry. And as you can see, there is kind of a separation or parting going on, even though I didn't. Okay, I still have a little wet spot here, but there is a slight parting going on. So when I'm styling it, I'm also gonna work a little bit around it to get this nice quiff and side twirl going.